Now, many of you will know that we are getting ready to see Boxer officially listing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. I mean, Boxer, you know that they intend on issuing shares of 190 million at a range, or share price will range between 42 and 54 rands per share. Now, you will know that Boxer, it was Pick n Pay subsidiary, and now Pick n Pay is unbundling Boxer, which is something that, of course, it's a pretty good business venture, which is bringing some pretty good, decent opportunities to investors, because I must say Boxer under Pick n Pay is doing exceptionally well, and seeing Pick n Pay unbundling Boxer, I suppose it will bring opportunities to those that want to buy Boxer, because Boxer, like I said, it was an entity under Pick n Pay doing exceptionally well. We have discussed their financial, and I won't go through them again, but the reason why I'm talking about Boxer today is, well, Boxer, if you didn't know, if you go to search on your EasyEquity platform, you will now see Boxer. So EasyEquity is currently doing an offer, or giving retail investors opportunities to buy Boxer when it lists, or to buy Boxer at a prime price when it lists. You will know that many of the companies that list in a stock exchange, even if the company said that the listing, like for this Boxer, is the starting price will be somewhere between 42 and 54 rands per share. Me and you, those that have been investing in the stock market, you know that when the market opens that day, you are not going to buy Boxer even by 54 rands. What will happen? It's going to spike. When the market opens, you might find that Boxer shares are trading at 65 rands per share. This is what you will see when the market opens, because a lot of excitement, or people will be very excited buying this company in a way that there will be so many pending orders. By the time yours kicks in, the share price, or by the time the market opens, the share price of Boxer is already over 60 rands. Now, the reason Boxer is available on the EasyEquity platform, EasyEquity wants those that are interested into buying Boxer shares at listing to submit the offers on the unlisted shares of Boxer. So what EasyEquities is saying is that they are going to try to apply to get some of these Boxer shares at a prime share price of 54 rands, which, like I said, you will not get it when you buy, or the day that Boxer starts trading on the JSE, right? But EasyEquity is going to apply and give these shares which they acquire or apply and get to those that have placed their orders. I mean, you will know that when you search this, it asks you, or the platform will ask you, how many shares do you want to apply for? 250, 500, 1000, or more than that? It's up to you, but it is not a guarantee that you'll get everything, but they will give you something if their application succeed. So you will get your Boxer shares by, I think, below even 60 bucks, because they talk about there are some applicable costs and fees, which is something that, of course, it's yeah, you might pay a little bit more, but if you want to buy shares worth 1000, you'll get almost that at a share price of 54 rands. And that will be a prime, because, like I said, check most of the stocks that list in the stock exchange. Even locally, internationally, US stock, it's even worse, man. We see stocks starting up 40%, 30% already. And if you think that Boxer is a company which is set for greatness, then buying this company at 54 rands per share, I think you and me can agree that it's a good opportunity, right? So though Boxer has not listed in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, in the EasyEquities platform right now, you can go and pledge, you can go and indicate the amount of money you want to spend on buying Boxer shares at market open, which EasyEquity will make those shares to come at 54 rands per share, which is massive, which is bullish. I think it's pretty good. It's a decent thing for EasyEquities to be able to do this, because I mean, there are quite a number of people, like I said, that will be participating or wanting to partake into buying these Boxer shares, and seeing that EasyEquity is proactive, trying to going and apply some of these shares so that they can give to their shareholders. I think it's a good initiative, man. Those that want to buy Boxer, they have this opportunity to do so. Me, because I saw this thing today, I'll have to think about it, man, because I think the deadline for your expression of interest into this share, it is the 20th of November. So next week on Wednesday, those that are interested, they should have submitted how much do they want to buy these Boxer shares. I think I'll participate for the fun of it, man. I still don't know how much I'm going to buy, but I think I want to test it and see how it goes, because I think Boxer has got a bright future. It has got a potential because, like I said, part of the reason why Boxer will succeed, they're able to go in places, in areas where some of the retail stores, Woolworth, Pick and Pay, you'll never find them, and that's where my money is also, right? So yeah, man, I believe that we are going to see great things from Boxer, and it's part of the reason why, I mean, I might say that I'm doing it for fun, but I'm also interested into Boxer. But the thing with me, I've always wanted to see how they perform first, but this, for now, I'll just maybe try to participate. I don't know how much I'll participate with, but I'll do my best to participate just to see how it unfolds. It is a good opportunity. It's the fact that EasyEquities is making it this available. I mean, you will know that, especially in the New York Stock Exchange, part of the reason why you see share price starting to move before market hours is because big financial institutions are able to start buying or selling their stocks before market opens, which is something that this right now will put us in the same boat as those big financial institutions who are able to partake into a stock before market opens, which is just so massive, so incredible, because at market open, you know that your average might be around 54 rands, right? Which is bullish, which is massive, and this, I like this very initiative from EasyEquities. So tell me what you think about this. Are you going to participate into this opportunity that EasyEquities is giving to the investors? I'm going to. I mean, I want to see how it will go. But one thing for sure is that I know that based on history, based on what we're seeing, I remember, I think when Tungela shares also listed, man, the first day they listed, they were just skyrocketing, man, which was something that was very interesting, so amazing, because the company that listed, was it just over 20 rands, it became a company that in a space of a year, it was already trading, I think, over 200 rands, which shows you the potential, some of the opportunities that this, especially that EasyEquities is offering, can give to you as the investor. So like I said, tell me what you think about this. I believe in this company, and I still don't know how much I'm going to participate with, but if you already know, tell me. If you've already decided, tell me. But those that have not checked the platform, you can go and just check Boxer, then you'll get all the information, the details as to what you can do and how much you can pledge on this Boxer, or before Boxer shares can be officially listed in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.